Matogorete ni muthikabu Jackson Solonka uri urugamirire makanitha matatu ma kiroho atungatiria ya mugite matikoretwo magikinyiria rumiriri yao magongona na njira ya thayo iria kwa ihinda riri maramakinyiria kugerera nenda cia kiriu makiuga mwena uyu wa Narok no kuo maratungana na mathina ta maya. Makiaria na andiki a mohoro muthikabu Solonka ni oritie thirikari nene kumatariria gitumi gia gukorwo makiagagio undu umwe na guthutukanio ni maabitha borithi a mwena uyu giko kiria mamenereirie na njira nene.
It is within our knowledge that recently the government through the Ministry of Interior directed the Inspector General of Police to inform all the police, inclusive of those in Narok, not to arrest the members of the clergy, but instead they should be facilitating the live streaming of church services.
Kurigana na ohede ciothe maratabania magongona mari kanitha-ini ni marakorwo makirumirira mitaratara iria gathikitwo ni thirikari ya kurigiriria gutamba kwa homa ya coronavirus.
Fully behind the directives and containment measures that have been put in place by the Ministry of Health, such as washing of hands, sanitization, social distancing, and putting on of mask or face mask in the fight against the spread of this virus that has shaken many nations. We also continue to pray for those affected for quick recoveries.
Moigete ihinda-ini riri ni marabatara gukorwo makiriria rumiriri yao aria moritwo ni hinya wa muturire muno makiria riri garama ya muturire yabatirite undu umwe na aria mafutitwo mawira.
We wish to ask both the county and the national government to urgently look into the aforesaid issues and probably put in place policies and guidelines to protect the residents of Narok town before the situation worsens. As a church, we have done our best to assist those who are who are not able to feed themselves by giving them food.
Oho ni moritie thirikari nene gutigirira ni mateithiriria muingi na gia kuria kuona kaunti no ni koretwo no nyihu wa irio. Haduine Hakameme TV getwo waithira wake.